Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate mousse with just 2 ingredients. First, gather your ingredients: good quality chocolate and heavy cream. The type of chocolate significantly impacts the final taste, so pick one you truly enjoy. We'll be using a ratio that ensures a perfect, airy texture every time. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, elegant dessert. Now let's melt the chocolate. Chop your chosen chocolate into small, even pieces to ensure it melts smoothly. You can use a double boiler, stirring occasionally until it's completely smooth and glossy. If using a microwave, heat in 20-second bursts, stirring well after each until fully melted. Avoid overheating to prevent the chocolate from seizing. Next, we'll prepare the heavy cream. Make sure your cream is very cold. This helps it whip up beautifully. Using a stand mixer or hand mixer, whip the cream on medium-high speed until it forms stiff peaks. This means when you lift the beater, the cream holds its shape firmly. Be careful not to overwhip, as it can quickly turn into butter. Finally, let's combine our 2 ingredients. Take about 1/3 of your whipped cream and gently fold it into the melted chocolate until just combined. Then, carefully fold in the remaining whipped cream in 2 additions, being careful not to deflate the air. Spoon the mousse into serving dishes and chill for at least 2 hours to set. Enjoy your delightful, easy dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.